In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change URL slug in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to edit, and a few best practices to keep your URLs clean and easy for visitors to understand. First, a quick foundation so the steps make sense. A URL slug is the part of a page's web address that comes after your main domain, like your website.com, About Us. That final section, About Us, is the slug. Squarespace will auto-generate this from your page title, but you're not stuck with it. You can change it to something shorter, clearer, and more search-friendly. That's especially useful if your page title is long, or if you've renamed a page and want the address to match. Here's how to make the change in the right place. Start in your Squarespace dashboard and open Pages. This is where all your site's pages live, and the area where you can access each page's settings. Find the page you want to update, then hover your mouse over that page's name. You'll see a small settings or gear icon appear. Click that to open Page Settings. Inside Page Settings, stay on the General tab. You'll see a field labeled URL Slug. This is the only field you need to adjust for the web address. Click into it and type the slug you want to use. Keep it lowercase, use hyphens instead of spaces, and avoid special characters or punctuation. For example, About Us or Pricing Plans are clear and easy to read. Short and descriptive slugs tend to work best for both visitors and search engines. Once you've typed your new slug, click Save. That's it. After saving, the page will be available at the new address you set. If you already had the page live, remember that the old link will no longer point to this page, so be mindful about when you make the change. It's a good idea to double-check your navigation and any internal links on your site to make sure they now point to the new URL. If you're sharing the page externally, update those links as well so people land in the right place. To recap, open Pages, hover over the page, click the gear icon, edit the URL slug in the General tab, use lowercase with hyphens, and save. A clean, consistent slug helps your site look professional, improves clarity for visitors, and supports better organization as your site grows. Take a moment to review a few key pages and make sure each slug reflects the content clearly and simply.